Hey everyone, it's Paul Lieberstein. Now, I'm not a Pennsylvania voter, but played one on TV. And I know a thing or two about paper, more than I want to. And I'm teaming up here with wikiHow and vote.org to show you how to properly cast your ballot. First, number one, complete your ballot. Complete your mail-in ballot with blue ink or black ink. It's got to be blue or black ink. I don't know why. Otherwise, it might not count. Once you've completed your ballot, place it in the secrecy envelope and seal it up. Next, place the secrecy envelope into the official envelope. Make sure to include postage if necessary. Look on the envelope. Does it say postage required? If so, that's the key. That's how you know, add a stamp. Finally, make sure you sign and date and complete your voter declaration on the back. Really big deal. Without this, again, it might not be counted. Return your ballot by mail or at a county election board office or at another designated site. Your ballot's got to be dropped off either in person by 8 p.m. on election day or postmarked by November 3rd to count. Your vote matters. It matters a lot. Make a voting plan. And for more info, you can visit wikihow.com/vote2020 and visit vote.org to get their hashtag vote ready. And it'll tell you other stuff. All right. Good luck. We're counting on you.